courses online. Here's another quick jazz guitar tip. When you think about jazz melodies, the majority of them, whether they were big band or vocal or whatever, were chord notes, you know? So if you're sort of intermediate and you're not versed enough, say hypothetically, I've got, say, alright, we'll just look at the first three chords, say. You know, a bit more advanced would be. Okay, and what I was doing then was using arpeggioed sort of fingerings. Right, there's a major what the first bit was from a major 7, the second bit was from a 7. The next bit I was aware that sort of there's the 7 chord there, but my fingers were here, so I sort of did that sort of thing. But the little quick jazz guitar tip is use the chord shapes that you know, and you may be able to just use shapes themselves to become inside the chords and really get that sort of authentic sound, you know. For example, here's the chords again. Alright, 2, 4. Alright, I'm sort of trying to use chord shapes, obviously, but look, that was that. That's a pretty common 3-note easy chord shape for the 7, and then, you know, people often just play that, which is what I did. So easy jazz solo, quick jazz guitar tip.